Imagine creating a fully functional, professional website without writing a single line of code. Meet Webwave, the AI-powered tool that turns your vision into a reality. Here is how you can build your dream website effortlessly. First, click Generate a Website with AI. Briefly describe your website, what's it about, and who is it for. Next, choose your preferred website style, whether it's business, creative, or elegant. Once you have made your choice, click Generate a Website and watch as Webwave brings your concept to life in just seconds. Let's dive into customization. Click on the logo to add your unique touch. Simply upload your image, and it instantly added to your website. Want to change the heading of any section? Just click, type, and it's done. See an image that does not quite fit your vision? Swap it out effortlessly by selecting a new one. Let's make sure your visitors can easily connect with you. Head to the contact section and add all the necessary details: your address, phone number, email, whatever you need. Once done, click Save and then Preview to see your changes in action. Satisfied with how everything looks? Click Publish. And just like that, your website is ready for the world. With Webwave, building a website isn't just easy. It's a creative journey where you control every step, powered by AI. Try Webwave today. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.